What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have another fairly easy install for the G8. We're going to be transforming part of the interior just a little bit, nothing crazy. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright, real quick, I just want to show you guys the parts that I got. So I'm not going to unwrap them right now because I don't want them to get dirty or anything, but let me just preface this by saying this is not real carbon fiber. These are just overlays. I don't really care about having real carbon fiber on the interior. I just want to get rid of that silver look because I hate it. So yep, flame me all you want, I don't care. So first, these are the covers for parts of the steering wheel. So I think that'll look pretty nice. So I got both of those. This is for the center console area where the gear selector is. This will pretty much go over just like that and cover all of that up. And then lastly, we have these two little side pillar things here. That's for like the main silver trim inside the car. I'll show you whenever I get in it, but yeah, that's all we got today. Nothing too crazy, nothing too fancy or special. Just wanted to get rid of that silver look. So let's go ahead and get to installing. All right, don't mind my awesome dog pajama pants, but real quick, I'm gonna do the steering wheel one first, and I'm gonna clean off the surface here with some. This is just like an isopropyl alcohol mix. I just want to make sure that the 3M really adheres to the surface well, so that it doesn't fall off or anything like that. But I'm not gonna go crazy. If this is like actual 3M, it'll stick pretty much fine, because that shit is damn near impossible to get off sometimes. So let me go ahead and wipe this down real quick. That should be good. Oh, FedEx is here. Hello, FedEx. Okay, and then I'm gonna do this side. Come on, bitch. Get off me. Alright, so pretty much, I'm gonna do a test fit real quick. It'll look like that. That looks pretty good. Looks a lot better than the fucking ugly silver. Alright, now I will still be getting a new aftermarket carbon fiber steering wheel, like a flat bottom one and one with better bolstering and shit. But for right now, I just wanted to do this because that won't be for a while. And I just saw this kit on Amazon, and I was like, oh dude, that looks nice, and it wasn't too expensive. It did take a while to come though. It took me like a couple weeks, but yeah, let me peel all this off, and then I'll come back to you guys whenever I am ready to slap it on. All right, got a lot of hair on it. First of all, I got all the little 3M backing shit exposed. I'm trying to get all this hair out. I have a lot of dogs, so hair just gets everywhere. I'll make sure it doesn't stick to it though. Alright. Go ahead. Line this up. Let me get this shit to stick down. Now the only negative thing I can see is with this part, this is like a little bit more recessed now, so I can see that being a little bit harder to press down. Get in there, little bitch. Alright, well, that part isn't really sticking down that much. Okay, yeah, I mean, it's alright, I guess. This part's a little coming up. I don't know if there's any 3M on that side. I have some extra I could get, but I don't really want to rip this off. Alright, let's go ahead and do this side now. Alright, got all the 3M backing off of that one. So same thing, let's go ahead and just line this up and stick it on there. This side seems to be sticking more. Now this could just be like the actual, I know this part, like the actual part of the steering wheel for mine was loose, so maybe it's just that and it's not the adhesive itself, because this side's sticking pretty well. All right, there's that. That's pretty cool. The I don't know, it's not too bad. This kind of sticks out a little bit, so like when my thumb is on it, I could feel it, but I couldn't feel it before. But yeah, I'm gonna see how this goes. I'm still gonna get an aftermarket steering wheel anyways, but I just wanted to, I really wanted to get these, and then this part black, or at least like carbon or blacked out or something. But I saw this kit, so I was like, fuck it, man, might as well just get these parts too. So this isn't too bad. Don't mind it for now at least, but I will be getting this whole steering wheel swapped out eventually. So I think I will do these ones next, and then we'll do this part last. So let me wipe these off real quick, and then go get the parts. Alright, I got this wiped down, and I got this backing all off, so I'm gonna go ahead and carefully, maybe I should sit down for this. Ugh. I don't know how else is gonna go through on camera. All right. Got that all pressed down. I think it looks fairly decent. It's a little bit loose over there, but that's all right. I'm not gonna be touching that part as much, so that doesn't bother me. Cool. Let's go ahead and do this side real quick. All right. Let me open this door actually. They should have probably put some like on here in the edge, but that's all right. Let me go ahead and get off of there, bitch. Line this up. Alright. Not too bad, man. Definitely better than this ugly silver. I hope I push this in far enough so that this can close. Okay, we're good. Nice. Not too shabby. Last one we got is this middle section here. So let me go ahead and wipe this down and then finish this up. Alright, so see, it's got this piece right here. I don't know if this is tape or what. It looks like it. Okay, yeah, it is. Yeah, I think I'm supposed to take that off because that's where my buttons and shit go. Let me go ahead and do a quick test fit right here. Maybe I should put the thingy in like neutral or something. Or oh no, there we go. This one's gonna be a tight fit. Hopefully this tape is really well, because this isn't like snapping on as easily as the other parts. But that would go like that. Whoops. And this. Wait. How the fuck do you get this on? Do I have to take the shift knob off? I don't think it comes off that easy, does it? Uh-oh. Let me do some research on this, because I don't see how this would fit on without the knob coming off, and I don't know how to take the knob off. And every automatic I've ever dealt with is always a pain in the ass to get the knob off, so let me look this up real quick. Alright, well, I wasn't expecting to do all this, but I got the shift knob out. It's honestly not that hard. just a couple pieces and stuff. I watched a quick YouTube video on it. But actually, let me set that over there. So now I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna take off the 3M on this big piece, stick it down, and then, oh yeah, let me test fit this now that I have this out. And then that will go on just like that. So yeah, let's go ahead. Let me take this back up and get this done. I got, goddamn, all the backing sticky shit off. Fucking hair everywhere. Because of course there is. Dude, I can't escape it, man. Alright. I think this one's going to be the trickiest one to do, but I'm just going to send it. There you go, you little bitch. Oh. Yeah. Got some grease from the fucking steering knob on there. Nice, that actually fits pretty well. That one snaps into place and shit. Cool. Last piece. This one. Go right there. And then we're all done. Let me go ahead and knock this out real quick. Okay. Let's go ahead. Get this final part. Oh, shit. On here. Alright. Nice, man. Not too bad. This looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. Let me go ahead and button everything up together and then I'll get one final shot. Alright, everybody. Here is the finished product. I think it came out actually pretty decent. I'm quite pleased with it. The only thing I'm just iffy on is the steering wheel, because you can see like how recessed those buttons are. It doesn't look like it on that side, but it is still recessed. It's just the angle. But other than that, I think everything else came together pretty good. No fitment issues. This center part, taking that column, what am I trying to say? The gear shift selector knob off wasn't honestly that hard. It took a couple of minutes. Did have to watch a YouTube video, but got it down. And I thought this was going to be a little bit sketch when it fit in together, but it actually fits in the most solid out of all the pieces. So yeah, man, pretty easy mod. Pretty happy with the results. Think it looks pretty good. A lot better than the ugly silver shit that was there before. So yeah, thank you everybody for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.